really like to listen to my song right now. Will you play it for me? Wrong song, you moron! My emo friends, our time has come. Wow, this hair is so freaking big, it's actually ridiculous. I mean, I am obviously wearing a wig, but I wasn't expecting it would be so... Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you know me or if you've been following me for a while, then you for sure know that I am really into My Chemical Romance, and I have been ever since I was 11 years old, which was back in 2006. And you might as well know that my favorite song ever is Helena, but My Chemical Romance. So in this look I'm going to show you how you can turn into Helena herself. Okay, so first I'm going to use a primer, and this I love a lot because it smells so good. I like put on the wig so I can look somewhat better, but it's always in the way and I can't do shit. Next, for my foundation, I am going to be mixing these two foundations, but I'm going to be applying more of this because it's lighter. And she's quite pale because she's quite dead. I think I'm going to do a layer of this first so I can get the coverage. How am I going to do this without ruining the wig though? That is a question. And now I'm going to take this, which is way lighter. Way lighter. I'm doing some over the lips too, because, you know, she's dead. And I will, of course, be taking that on my neck and chest. Neck. I was really close to putting white body paint on me, but then I thought maybe it's going to be too much. So I just went for a lighter foundation. Right, now I'm going to take some powder, a translucent one. And I will be applying that. That's a shit ton of powder. Yes, and I will be applying that every...
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Once again, I forgot to put concealer on. So for concealer, I'm going to be using this one from Essence, and I'll be applying it here. Even though it should not really matter because we're going for the very dead look. It's going to be a nice base for the eyeshadows to come. Eyeshadows, we will see. Did I put too much once again? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, I effed up. I put way too much and this is going to crease and I'm going to be so annoyed. Is my voice going, I smell like beef again? And now I'm going to be applying powder everywhere. Next I will be doing a bit of a contour, and I think I'm going to be using this lighter shade of brown. Oh, and I'm not going to contour in the normal places. I'm going to try and make my face look a bit more sunken in, which means that I will have to... I was about to say upload. What? I will be applying it here, like really chiseled, but the dead kind of chiseled. I'll do some on the forehead too. Actually, not on the forehead, on the temples. No temple there, but I'm still going to do it. And I will also be doing this part. Yeah, much better. I love how I'm like congratulating myself, like, yeah, you go girl. Yes, that queen! I really feel like applying some highlighter on me right now, but I should not. I shouldn't, because she doesn't have any, so I'll just stop myself from doing so. Okay, so I've done one eye, so let's see how I did that. As you can see, it doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be anything. We're talking about a very 2005, very grunge makeup, so it doesn't have to look neat. So first I will be applying this burgundy eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying that all around my eye. It doesn't have to be too neat, it doesn't have to be too blended, it just has to be there. So kind of like that, and I'm also taking that on my lower lash line. And as you can see on this eye, I'm dragging it way down. Way down. And of course I'm going to keep building this, and I'm also going to be blending out the edges a bit. I'll keep building this now. And now I am going to be taking this shimmery eyeshadow, which is very close to the one that I'm wearing right now, and I will just be taking my finger and I will be placing it on my lid. And now it's time for eyeliner, and I will be taking this gel liner and I will be placing it on my waterline, and I'm also going to tightline. I feel like myself again. And I will be smudging that on my lower lash line too. I never thought I would see the day where I would use this thing, this bloody thing again in my life. Yet, here we are. And now that we've got the base of the eyeliner, I will be taking some black eyeshadow and I will be blending it out a bit more. And I'm also going to be taking that on my upper lash line. Yeah, but on the outer part, I will be focusing that mostly. And about halfway, and then I'm blending it out. Why do I low-key look like Mrs. Lovett from Sweeney Todd? Now it's time for mascara, and I'm going to be applying that on my top and bottom lashes. And lastly, for the eyes, I will be applying this highlighter on my inner corner, and before you all come after me, I see some highlight in there. I just do. Okay? Okay. For my brows, I'm simply going to take this eyeshadow once again, and I will be filling them in. Thank God eyebrows were not really important back then. Then I'm going to be adding some brow gel, and I'll just leave my lips as they are. So this is the final look, and I really hope that you liked it. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos every Sunday and sometimes even on Wednesdays. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!